Good morning, everyone. This is Bob Dole, president of Solution Driven Wealth. Today is March the 15th, 2023. There's been over the last week or so, there's been some noise, certainly in the news, about some banking issues, both domestically and now this morning with Credit Suisse encountering some difficulties. First and foremost, I want to assure you that we have no exposure to any of these banks in our portfolios. So there's no direct relationship with your investments into these types of banks or institutions. Our Federal Reserve's basic requirements in terms of like blocking and tackling is to make sure that we have a sound banking system. Relative to past crises, such as 2008 and certainly during the Depression, this current situation is nowhere near any of those situations. Since the financial crisis of 2008, strict reserve requirements and cash requirements and what we call asset tests or rapid tests on stress tests on banks have been enacted. Most all of our banks nationwide are passing these tests very significantly and with ample reserves set aside. So we do not have a concern, and I do not have a concern about our banking system imploding at all. At a very minimal level, the Federal Reserve's requirement is to make sure we have an orderly and constructive and efficient banking system. We have that. If there's any issues going forward, I would expect and fully expect the Federal Reserve to step up to the plate and deliver, as they did last week or earlier this week with Silicon Valley Bank, in ensuring all of those deposits. All of those depositors were made whole, and there's no concern about a run on the bank anymore with that institution. If other institutions have some difficulties, again, I would expect the Fed to step in and ensure those deposits again. So we'll have some future communications to you over the next number of weeks. Enjoy the rest of your week and have a great day.